Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix mic not working on Discord. Now first, what you need to do is to open Discord and go to your user settings, which usually looks like a gear icon. From there, navigate to voice and video. Then ensure the correct input device is selected. Adjust the input volume slider to an appropriate level. And then test your microphone using the Let's Check button. Another thing you can do is to check Windows sound settings. So just right-click the sound icon in the taskbar and select Sounds. From there, head to the Recording tab, and then ensure your microphone is set as the default device. Right-click your microphone and select Properties. Under the Levels tab, make sure the microphone is not muted and the volume is set high enough. You can also try running Discord as an administrator. So just right-click the Discord icon and select Run as Admin. This can help if Discord doesn't have the necessary permissions to use your microphone. Next, you can also try updating your audio drivers. You can do this by opening your device manager and then expand the audio inputs and outputs section and right-click your microphone and select Update Driver. Then you can also try resetting voice settings in Discord. So just head to your Discord and then go to User Settings and Voice and Video. Scroll down and click Reset Voice Settings. And finally, you should check for physical issues. So just ensure your microphone is properly connected. Test your microphone on another device to rule out hardware issues. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.